Hello, welcome to today's video tutorial. So I'll be showing you a simple Pixellab trick, a very simple Pixellab trick that you can use on your designs. So quickly, I'm going to be adding an image. Let me look for an image. I've already removed the background. Uh, First Corinthians 7:22. So sorry. So let me use okay. Okay. Let me go to my photo room. I think that's where I'll get image I can use. Okay, let me still use this image of this handsome guy here. So yeah. Now I'm going to change the background. Let me change it to let me look at another color to use. Let me use this color. Okay, good. You can use any color you want, don't mind me, but I've already used this color for design, so I'm using it. But you can use any color of your choice. Any color of your choice is perfect. Oh yeah, you can use any color of your choice. It's perfect. So quickly I'm going to add a text. Let me add a text. I don't know what text to use. Let me use amazing. Let me use amazing. Yeah, amazing. And I'll increase it. Now let me look for font, an amazing font. Okay, these are amazing fonts. So let me use long. I want to use a long font. Okay, I think I should use this. Yeah, let me use this. Let me go back so you can see the font I use. This is the title of the font. Unisans Heavy Italic. Unisans Heavy Italic. You can see now there's an edge. There's a problem. If you look at our A here, there's a problem with it. So what I'm going to do to resolve that issue is to go to my padding. There's an increase the left side a bit. Yeah. So that problem is resolved. So you can see. Let me reduce the number of the text so that I can be able to expand the image. Let me change it to a maze. Okay, so now I can increase the size of the text here to the level I want. Now I want to make this text not to cover some part of this pictures completely. So I'm going to take the text backward. Let me first of all lock the image. So I'm going to take the text backward. Good. The next thing I'm going to do is to copy the text, bring it forward. Now I'm going to go to color and click on this plus sign and take the gradient part, increase it to the highest. Now you see it's not showing. Then I'll go to my stroke and enable it. Then take the stroke down to 1. Take it to 1. Then choose a white color for it. I click go. Then I want to adjust it to ensure that it's on the same frequency with mine. So we'll go to this text tool and use my relative position to ensure that it's on the same line. Good. I bring down my text a bit. Okay, sorry. Good. Here I think we are even now. Then I'll lock this. Come to this here. I come to my opacity. What's my opacity? There's opacity. Yes, there's opacity here. You can reduce it to your taste. Let me reduce it here. Let me make it 30. Good. Now you can see it will look as if we cut. So this is a very simple trick you can use on any image. In fact, it just makes your design look so good and nice. I believe you've learned something new today. Implement this, replicate this, and send in as a task. So I believe you already have the image, or you can edit this text. You can use it on any text. You can use it on any image. It makes your work look, outstanding. And a lot of people used to wonder, how do they make that effect? So these are some of the effects people do with their laptops, do with their with Photoshop. You can actually do this with your mobile device. Then the next thing you just do, you can save the project. Always ensure to save your project. So you save the project as, give it a title. Don't just save it anyhow. Give it a good title in accordance to the design you're making. Then save your image as well. I'll not be saving this, but basically, so always put it to ultra and save to gallery, and it will be saved directly to phone. So let me save my project. Let me use Pixellab trick here. So okay, I've saved it. It saved automatically to my phone. So that'll be all for today's video tutorial. See you in the next class.